Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to do a review about this Lontor product. I've been using this particular product for quite a while now, which is over a year. I know there have been some review about this particular product online. Been using this particular product for over a year now, so I have lots of the good, the bad and the ugly, and lots of complaining to do. Let's get into the video. First of all, the reason I bought this particular fan because I'm in Nigeria, which is in western part of Africa. So I bought this particular product around let me say around 10,000 naira or more. I've forgotten the price, which falls around $5 or $6. So over a year I've had lots of issue, which is what I'm going to talk about in this particular video. So inside the box it comes with the fan and the cable. I don't have the cable with me because it's been over a year. So this is the back of the Lontor. Lontor is boldly written at the back with the volt and everything. So in the front you can see Lontor is a maybe engraved or written in black color. So and it comes in pink color, which has a round button in front of it, as you can see from the video. And at the back it comes with a changeable battery. You can remove the battery buy another battery in case I have two batteries, but I don't know where I kept it, so you can close it up. That is one thing I like about it. And lastly, it comes with a stand. Let me show you how the stand works. You can just drop it like that. You can flip it doesn't matter the way. So it's not that stable enough. The product is very strong. It has folded many times. It's very strong. It's very strong and stiff. And again, you can't open the product. You can't open it to clean it. If you look closer, you can see lots of dust inside it, even from the angle. That means I have to clean it every few weeks. So the reason I stopped using this particular fan because I bought a bigger fan, so which is a DuraVolt fan. So the fan is a very durable fan and it's very stiff and very strong to hold. I've been using it for quite a while and it has not fallen apart. So on the other hand, it comes with three different levels. Let me on the fan and show you the three different levels. It comes with level 1, which is not the highest. It comes with the level 2, and it comes with the last level, which is the highest. And again, the fan can in the first position is going to take you around 6 hours to die. This is the first level. In the second level, it's going to take you around maybe 4.5 hours or less to die. And the highest is going to take you around 3 hours or more, or 3.5 hours to die. From the highest, it's going to take you around 3.5 hours to die from the highest fan. So charging the fan with the Type C. Let me charge the fan and show you the example. The fan supposed around 5 to 3 watts. Can you see? So right now 3 watts is entering inside the fan. Can you see the 3 watts? Let me bring it closer. So 3 watts. So it takes around maybe 3 to 4 hours to charge the fan. So it doesn't take that long to charge. So you can even be charging the fan immediately and be using it. Let me show you. So if you want to be charging immediately and be using it immediately when there is too much heat, you can be doing that exactly the same thing at the same time. You can be charging the fan and be using it. Can you see? It supports around 5 to 3 watts. So the review I'm doing is a long time review. So, and one thing about the fan is that it collects dust easily, as you can see from the back. Also, I've showed you the front. As you can see from the back, it collects lots of dust, and that is the one thing I don't like about it. So that means you have to find a way to clean it out. So, and this is the charger. It comes with a short cable, not a longer cable. It will give you a short cable, but luckily it supports Type C to Type C charging, which is speedy charging. But in some other fan that I showed in the other video, because I'm going to link that particular one in the comment section below, that particular one does not support anything like PD charging, only Type A, only like Type A to Type C. But this particular one supports both particular one supports both Type A to Type C charging and both Type C to Type C charging. Let me show you an example. This particular one, once I put the fan, It's going to come on immediately. Let me remove it. Once I try it in this one, it's going to come on immediately. That is what I'm trying to say. So this particular fan, let me show you an example. This fan, you can charge this fan. As you can see, it's charging. You can charge this one with only type A to type C, but you cannot charge it with type C to type C. It doesn't work. Can you see? The light is going to flow through it. You will not see any watt. But if you try it on the Lontor fan, that is one thing I like about the fan. It's going to show you 3 watts. 1, 2, 3. It's going to work definitely. It's a very nice fan. That's one thing I love about it. Should I recommend this fan? Of course I would recommend this fan. It comes in different colors. It comes in black, white, and this particular color that I picked is pink, and it's a removable battery, which is very nice. You can remove the battery and replace it with another one. So I've been using it for quite a while now. It has fallen down lots of times. See, it has fallen down lots of times, and it comes with a type C that supports both PD and regular charging port. So if you like this product, I'm going to link where you can buy it in the description below. So don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you very much, and see you. Bye.